So, hello friends, welcome you all for another interesting opportunity. Details about masters and PhD and research positions in Singapore. So, which is a common intake or the common call for entries. You can say the SINGA Awards for graduate students, specific to masters and PhD. You can call it. So, you might seen the updates about Switzerland, the full-fledged scholarship and application throughout the year, EPFL, and also various schools, and we can apply nicely. And we have seen the Japan opportunity about predefined research projects for PhD. That is also very nice. And another one, OIST Okinawa in Japan, that is physical science related, but still it's possible for other divisions if you have relevant research. So, and also recently we have shared about WISTEC, that is Thailand, which is research based and growing institute. So now we'll go ahead with the SINGA Awards to study in the top institutes in the world. So let's get into details. So as you can see here, so the top institutes in Singapore, you can see NUS and SU, NTU. So it is in as per 2021 World University Rankings of Times Higher Education, which is about 25th and 47th. It's in top 50 universities. And world reputation, you can see these rankings, and Asia universities in top second and third, young universities and Asia universities. So you can see such a nice institutes, and you can see the ratio of students, staffs, and attendant students, and female to male ratio. So you can see how diverse it is. So that's interesting and fascinating for those who wanted to study here. And also there are other institutes, SUTD and other stuff, but I didn't say that. Just that it's another emerging institutes like we shared WISTEC and KUT Japan. So they are like fast growing young institutes, design based SC2D. So you can consider. So there are many other institutes you can verify in the coming details. I mean, once I'll share the details. So let's move on. So this is about the scholarship I would like to share. This opens up every frequent intervals to every semester, you can say. So you can apply for this research for fellowship, and you can study in the top institutes like NTU, SCU, NUS, SUTD, Singapore University of Technology and Science, Technology and Design. So you can see there are 29,000 applicants received over 170 countries. So such a reputed and popular opportunity. More than 950 awardees. So you can say 1,000 awardees among 29,000. Still, it's a good opportunity because these 29,000 applicants may be applying from various institutes, and again they are applying for other opportunities. So we may not sure everyone might have got the opportunities elsewhere. Here are some other place. So nearly 100 countries from where SINGA awardee hail. So that is a very diverse alumni, like you'll get into touch if you get selected to this scheme. So let's move on. So these are the research areas. Broadly, it can be classified in two areas: biomedical sciences and physical science engineering. So more information, if you click on these links, it will take you to the faculty links and profiles, and then you can see that details inside. Also, you can see for each, like, and open and see the research areas, and try to get convincing the full supervisor to apply for this opportunity, masters or PhD in Singapore with fully funded nice institutes. So please note, it is mandatory to indicate your choice of supervisor in the application form. So you better get in touch with him or her. So the coverage includes the tuition fees and monthly stipend of $2,000 Singapore dollars will be increased to 2,500 after qualifying the exam. The first year qualifying exam will be there, first year of 1.5 year. And one-time airfare grant from your home state, it may vary. So star mark is there. So one-time settlement allowance is in the beginning $1,000. And this breakup of estimated cost is given. So maximum is 2,000 Singapore dollars. So that is pretty high and pretty sufficient. So I have seen people are living within 1,000, even less than 1,000 Singapore dollars. So you can save the 1,000 Singapore dollars, and you can live at your own stage. Even if after the course, you'll have some savings. So that's about coverage. So application procedure, you should browse the research projects. So what we have shared just before, and the documents is required as follows: passport and transcripts and reports, the mandatory bachelor's, master's transcripts, and the letter of certificate from the university. Can you are, if you are a current student, you need to say get a certificate saying that you will be graduated soon with the so and so month, and the recommendation letters to be filled submitted by online. So that is mandatory. You should inform your required reference supervisor to fill it before the last dates. So the optional documents are TOEFL or IELTS. So it's not mandatory. Please check or ensure the data entered application form is correct and all. And the deadline is December 1st, and now it is extended to 1st January. So one more month is extended. So it's a pretty good opportunity. So you consider applying. It's very nice. There are various divisions and various schools and so many number of possibilities. So for August intake, December deadline. So you can reach out every time. The deadline will be around same months. So the links will be shared in the description, these things, so you can verify it. So moving on. So the important information, please read information properly, like provided during account registration, which has to be proper, and correct scholarship, SINGA Awards. Do not send hard copy to SINGA office. Please submit your applications as early as possible. This will provide ample. This is for a good for us, because the references. That means the reference, whatever we are asking, they'll submit it online within the deadline. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to highlight because the deadline is extended, so you'll have a chance to apply and get a chance to study in top institutes like we have shared. It is the top in the globe and Asia. So wish you good luck. Please follow and subscribe for such an interesting and various updates for your science, innovation, career, and outreach. And some vlogs will come in soon. Thank you, friends. Wish you good luck. Bye bye.